After spending our first day in the Zion area hiking Angel's Landing and our second day hiking the Narrows, we decided that we would take a day to just enjoy the beautiful boondocking spot we were parked at. We couldn't help but notice that there was a winding road leading all the way down to the bottom of the canyon, so we decided that we needed to check it out and we headed down there in the Jeep. This is just one of the many perks of having a Jeep. We can take it wherever the bus can't go.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
We had fun exploring the bottom of the canyon. On our drive back up to the bus, we stopped to collect some firewood. We were going to need it for the dinner we had planned. As always, when we brought the firewood back to camp, we had to pay the dog tax. My dad took the bike out for a spin while Hunter got the fire ready. We had the absolute best day just enjoying our camp spot. A fun off-road adventure, great food, and it was all the better because we had a visitor from home. It's truly amazing how many beautiful boondocking spots there are out there, and the fact that we get to stay here for free makes it even better. This is what makes us love bus life so much. The view from our home is always changing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next Friday.
Be free, be free, be free.